If you've been thinking about new construction but don't want to worry about putting in a yard and a fence, this is your home.
Welcome to our new listing at 12316 Boggs Way in beautiful Herriman.
We can't wait to show it to you. Come check it out.
This terrific two-story home features 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms and over 3,100 square feet of living space. Check out these cathedral ceilings and the floor-to-ceiling windows with automatic blinds for convenience. You'll love this formal front room, which is a flex room and can be used also as an office or even a music room. The dining area is nice and spacious and opens onto the kitchen, which is fully upgraded and includes a walk-in pantry. You'll love the 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs, which features a master suite with a separate tub and shower and dual vanities, plus a huge walk-in closet. The laundry room is also conveniently located on the upper level with all of the bedrooms. No going up and down stairs with your laundry. Welcome to the partially finished basement, which has already been framed and much of the electrical has already been run. This home could be finished with an additional bedroom, family room space, and full bathroom for your convenience. You'll love this backyard and the fact that it's all finished. No need to put in a yard. The fencing is complete with this full vinyl fencing, as well as a full sprinkler system and garden box area for your garden.
Reach out to us for your own private showing.
We're Move Utah Real Estate.